razor. I done cut some of the RTV off with the razor. But I still gotta do a little bit more to get it clean. We gonna get that though. Excuse me, sir. Can you examine my work real quick, please?
You're a nigger.
I'm still gonna post this. It don't matter.
Oh, okay.
Can you examine my work?
You gonna post shit about the gay club?
Post what?
Huh?
Can you examine my work?
Can your hair get longer than mine?
My hair is already longer than yours.
Boy, stop.
Nah, ain't no stopping.
Bro, your shit is not long.
I'll take this do-rag off and we gonna pull the
take this do-rag off and we can pull.
Yeah.
Let's go pull Diddy.
Ain't you texting Diddy right now?
I'm on Marketplace name. Ooh, I'm about to grab this bitch.
He said, ooh, he about to grab Diddy.
Yo, you gay as fuck.
Man, come check this shit. I know how to make him check it. Diddy.
Yo, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Yo, check my shit, bro.
Can you check my shit?
Pussy. Let me get some gloves. What over there?
Over there. I cleaned it once, but he gonna check it again. What?
Damn.
Why you grab the mediums, bruh?
Hey, look how small the dick.
Wear those
Look at
gloves.
this shit,
That's why
bro.
they on the top of my box, bruh.
Shit.
Those are medium gloves. Why you got on a Band-Aid?
These are for bitches.
You got on a Band-Aid because you a bitch.
Soak up all the blood. Bitch.
Man, shut up.
Nigga talking about he done. Look at all this shit. Look at all this shit.
Hey, bruh.
Look at all this shit, man.
Can you check my work?
Fucking failed.
Alright, so that's one. I'll check another one.
Stupid ass little boy. Look at this shit. This shit ain't fucking clean.
What are you talking about?
I find this ceiling all over this bitch. Look at this shit. 2. No, 1, 2, 3.
So why that one sounded like it got something in it?
4. Look at this shit. 5.
Can you check over my work?
You rode the short bus, huh?
You rode the bus with Diddy.
Look at this shit, nigga. Yo, tell you.
What? There ain't nothing in there. Maybe that one.
Nigga got ceiling all over it. You want your shit to leak, huh?
It was leaking before.
You failed, nigga. You only have one clean one.
What about this side?
I'm not scraping all that. You go back and
What
scrape
about
it.
this side?
You go back and scrape it. Look at all this shit. Shit in here. Look at all that. Look at all that shit coming
A
up.
little bit.
Look at all that shit coming up. We don't need a little bit. Perfection. Perfecta.
You want me to take it to the machine shop and remake it?
Yeah. Send it back to assembly.
See what?
Oh, that's where you got it from?
Yeah. Yo, come back, bruh. Bruh, where you going, bruh? This seems to work wonders. Nice little pick action. I'm gonna hit the razor in here and get those off. But, yeah, looking better. Alright, finished product. I think the pit done got all that I need to get off. Need to put some white paste on the fitting that go there, and then I should be good to go. You got Diddy on your face?
When the fuck did I say that?
On BD? That's what you said?
Yo, what the fuck?
That's what you just said, nigga?
Yo, you tripping.
Nah,
bro.
you just said that.
That's gay.
You gay.
You gay for just saying
You
that.
like men.
What are you talking about?
Just face it.
Face what?
Now go check my oil pan spacer. Now. Yeah, go check my oil pan spacer.
So I thought I heard a fish talking.
Yeah, you heard yourself. I told that man to go check my shit. They gonna put it on top of this shit. So I'm about to say, they better not sell nothing. I ain't ready to sell it yet. You heard me.
And it, you know, what you want to eat?
You said the what?
Damn.
What I want to what?
What do you want to eat?
Pussy.
I keep missing out on Zach's, man. Oh, I had Zach's as well.
What up, nigga?
What's happening?
What up, nigga?
Nah.
What you say?
Yeah.
You said it's fucked up? That's what you said? You said it's gonna leak?
Nah.
God dang, why
Right.
they both doing it to me?
Right.
Stop fingering my oil pan. That's not Diddy.
Yo, what?
Alright, so the oil pan is back home. It's in this bag. I'm finna take it out of this bag in a second. I gotta go into the car and scrape all the old RTV from off the upper oil pan, which I'm finna do right now. And we gonna install this bad boy tonight. Once I install it, gotta let it sit because it gotta cure. So I'm gonna let it sit and let it cure. And then I'm gonna add oil back. So all this RTV right here, I gotta scrape it off. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm probably not gonna record it. Yeah, I'm not gonna record it. All right, I'll take that back. Y'all gonna see a little bit. Why did I do this? All right, so it's clean. It is clean. So now to install this oil pan, we're gonna let it sit for 24 hours after we install it. And I'm good to go. So we finna see what's going on right now. All right, so I added the RTV. I put a lot. But I'm finna put this shit up, so yeah, let's get to it. Oil pan installed. I'm gonna let it cure, so I'm not gonna touch it till tomorrow around this time. I'm gonna add oil, so that should be like 3 or 4 o'clock. Ain't aboard it, but hey, it's installed. Stupid ass oil pan, but hey, I put in work. Time to go to bed. See y'all later.